Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lisa Marie and I'm your friend providing beauty tips in an approachable way to help you reach your own beauty goals inside and out. No filters needed. And in today's video, I am super excited because it's kind of like a double header, really. So of course, I'm going to show you how to achieve this look right here, which is stunning if I do say so myself. We're exploring both of Carli Bybel's collabs from 2019. So for the eyes, of course, we're enlisting the help of her palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I follow one of her IG mini makeup tutorials to achieve this look, and we'll also be exploring her lip collection with Il Makiage. So with that, if you want to see how we achieve this look, please keep on watching. I'm so excited to play around with the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette today. I looked at some of Carli's tutorials to kind of get some inspiration of a look I would want to do, because I wanted to play up these really cool toned colors. So I'm going to try to attempt to recreate one of her makeup looks that she made with this palette, and we're gonna see how that goes. But we're gonna start with the transition shade, and she uses Bybel. So one of the tricks that Carli does with most of her eye looks is create a straight edge from her lower lash line upwards to create kind of a more winged look. And she will basically use anything with a flat edge, and she even suggests using the plastic film that comes with her palette for that. So we're gonna see how this goes. I never have done this before, so ooh, that's cool. Wow, that's really cool. I like that. Maybe I'll incorporate it in other looks. Okay, so I think we're going to get into some of the cool tone, duochrome, shiny shades here. Okay, I'm gonna take Libra right here in the inner corner. Next, we're going to use this color right here, and it's called Jode, and we're gonna put that on the center to the outer corner. Ooh. I'm gonna see if I can amp up the intensity of this eyeshadow by wetting my brush. So I'm just gonna take this random Fix Plus that I found, which is handy, and spray my brush. Ooh, yeah. Yes, ma'am. So on these like shimmery colors, if you really want them to stand out, wetting your brush will definitely help with that. Now we're going to deepen the outer corner, and we're going to use this dark, I would say like a medium brown color. It's called Bowie, B-O-I-E. Hope I'm saying that correctly. But we're also going to do our little trick again of creating that straight edge. Ooh, yeah. And she goes like dramatic. She has bigger eyes than me, so her eyes can probably handle it a lot more. We're just gonna see how this turns out on my itty bitty eyes. This trick is life-changing. Let me know in the comments below if you end up trying this or you've tried this before, and what do you think? So now we're gonna go back and reinforce the transition shade, but this time we're going to be using Chai right here, and I'm using a different brush from the one we used earlier for our transition shade, just to keep the colors separate. What I do know about Carli's palette is the names that she chose for the palette are about her and her family, but more importantly, her cats. Her cats are so cute, and Chai is honestly my favorite, but I think Chai is the one who like sits upright, and it's so hilarious to me. Like if I were to have a cat, I would want one doing the weirdest stuff because I would just find that so entertaining. So she really extends this color like into her inner corner up here, like towards her nose bridge. So I shall do the same. I just feel like slowly but surely I'm running out of lid space. I'm not as blessed. Okay, now we're gonna highlight the brow bone, and I'm going to use this shade right here called Bully. She comes in really strong with her brow highlight, more than I personally would, but we shall do what the master tells us. So at this point, she goes in with liquid liner, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Okay, I think that's the best we can do today, or at least that's as much as I want to risk it because I don't want to mess this look up. We've come so far. Okay, so then she goes in ever so slightly back into that brown color and deepens just the crease. Okay, we are almost done, I swear. So she goes back into the inner corner and adds this shade right here called Mandala. And it's a really pretty, pretty duochrome shade. I definitely want this to stand out, so I'm going to spray my brush again, and I'm going to dip into that and put that in my inner corner. This is super pretty. Can you tell the difference in between this one where we added that duochrome and this one? I'm really excited. This is so pretty. Do you see that? I just keep applying this because I just think it's really pretty. I'm probably going to hit pan just from this tutorial alone. So we're going to do the inner corner highlight now, and I'm going back in with that Bully color that we used in our brow bone. I'm just going to keep spraying everything because her look was popping, so I won't mind a pop too. I mean, we're here. We might as well. Oh yeah. That's what I'm seeing. You see that? That's an inner corner highlight though. I saw Carli Bybel use Jode with a pencil brush, so I'm gonna use Jode with a pencil brush. Okay, so last but not least, we gotta blend the lash line out a little bit, so we're going back in with that original Bybel color. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is the finished eyeshadow look, but I'm going to do all my mascara and stuff off screen, and we'll come back and we're going to explore Carli's lip collection from Il Makiage. Stay tuned. Okay, so my mascara is on, so this is what the final eye look looks like. I am so happy about it. It is definitely out of my comfort zone, and I just love how I took a risk, just followed her tutorial that's on her Instagram. I can link it below if you'd like. I am so in love with how this turns out, and I just think it shows the breadth of the palette itself and its versatility. On to lips. So in 2019, not only did Carli release an amazing eyeshadow palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is huge, but earlier that year she did release a lip collection with Il Makiage. Now, I don't know too much about Il Makiage, so I can't really speak to the entire brand, but this lip collection is like holy grail for me. I love the tones and it just seems like an essential lip collection in my eyes. So what Carli did was kind of create 3 sets with lip liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss, and each collection is just like a different color basically. So she has a nude, a mauve pink nude type color, and then a classic red. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and let's just show you what these all look like on. So first up are the nude lip colors, and here I have used the lip liner in Luna and the matte lipstick in Libra. The lip liners in this collection are so creamy, they're easy to glide on, and the matte lipsticks are very comfortable. I really like the texture and the formulas of all these products so much. And then here I'm adding the lip gloss in the color Star Child right in the center of my lips, because we all know I love that juicy lip effect. And this is the nude colors of Carli's lip collection. I didn't even mention the best part about this collection, and it's definitely the packaging for me. I just love how clean it is, and I definitely can see the sort of galactic theme in the lip gloss more so than anything else, but like the rose gold cap on the lip liner as well is really cute. Next up is the pinky mauve color, and this liner is called Bybel, and the matte lipstick is in Serious. It's a really great color. I love it so much. And here I'm adding the corresponding gloss on top, and this is in the color Twilight. I feel like this color combination works really well with today's eye look. Lastly, we have the red lip color set, and the liner here is called Ablaze, and the matte lipstick is Venus. For the sake of consistency, I guess I didn't do this section the same as I did the others, so bear with me. So as you can see, this is a very pretty red. This is probably one of the most gorgeous reds I've ever tried on, and the formula is just unmatched. I love it so much. I actually like it with this eye look. It kind of gives me like retro vibes, where they would do kind of like a silvery look with the red lip. And the gloss that I would pair this color with is called Supernova, and it is a sort of purpley duochrome. You can kind of see when I apply it. It's really beautiful, and I think it just adds a very unique dimension to a typical red lip. Which one of the 3 lip collections do you like the best, especially with this look? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I truly hope you liked this week's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And clicking that notification bell next to the subscribe button will notify you anytime I upload a new video, which to me is very handy. So again, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And until the next video, remember, makeup should be fun because you're already beautiful. I hope you have a great week. Bye.